not muted. All right, well, I mean, if the prosecutor doesn't want to proceed on the violation, there's no violation. So the violation's dismissed.
Thank you, Judge. No objection.
All right, so now, as to sentencing.
Judge, we have had an opportunity to review the report. There are no additions, corrections, deletions. We're asking the court to follow the agreement.
Anything on behalf of the people?
Your Honor, likewise, no additions, corrections, or deletions. The people would ask the court to adopt the terms of the agreement.
Mr. O, anything you or your client want to say before I impose sentencing?
No, Judge.
All right. All right, Mr. Happen, this is the second time you beat your kid. You have a conviction in 2019 for child abuse. I mean, menacing charges, pending, disorderly conduct charges. And you take absolutely no responsibility for what you've done. No, you don't. I'm reading the report. Mr. Hackman does not accept responsibility for his actions and offered justifications for his actions numerous times over the course of the interview. He minimized his role in the offense and claimed that the victims were not being truthful in their reports. He minimized his role in the, he reported that he only pled guilty to get out of jail. He disputed nearly everything that was listed in the police report. The defendant has a history of violence, with domestic violence charge being amended to a disorderly conduct, a prior child abuse 4th degree. He reported the prior child abuse occurred when he spanked his child. However, the police report for that offense indicated that the victim had bruises on his eyes, face, and arms. And this allegation, you were choking an 11-year-old? Is that what it was?
I do not recall the age of the victim in this.
This is a second offense. The prosecutor offered a plea agreement to a year probation. And I have a problem with that sentencing agreement. I've got a guy in front of me who's got prior assaultive convictions, a prior assault for beating a kid. He's here today again for choking a kid, and he gets a year probation. I mean, how many chances does he get? Do we wait until he kills a kid before he gets some jail time?
Well, Your Honor, I did state this at the time of the plea, and I'll state it again. You know, his guidelines are probationable. There were no injuries in this case, and the mother, Alicia Halfman, who we've just discussed, was not interested in pursuing the case or pressing charges. Based on all of those factors, we did determine that this was an appropriate plea offer for this case. The hope of my office is that he will take the alcohol counseling and the parenting classes seriously and turn this around and become a good father for his children.
What happened? There's a sentencing agreement. The best thing you could do for your children is stay away from them, because you've got a problem. You should go to jail today, but I'm going to follow the sentencing agreement, because if not, you would draw your plea, and then your wife doesn't bring the kids in to testify, and the case ends up getting dismissed and you get nothing. So I'm going to follow the plea agreement today, or the sentencing, but I'm going to tell you that I can't wait for you to violate. I'm looking forward to putting you in jail for the maximum possible time. So violate, give it to me. Because the minute you violate, I'm putting you in county for the maximum possible time. I want to be clear. I want to make sure you understand. Give it to me.
Understand, Judge.
Fine of $50, court costs of $50, state costs of $50, crime victims' rights fee is $75, probation oversight fee of $450, community service fee of $10 a day for a total of $100. Total due $775 to be paid in a payment plan, 12 months probation, 10 days community service in the city of Taylor as directed by probation and provide proof. Additional 2 days of community service ordered on, is this still in here, or is that from that?
That was for the previous bond violation that he had on the 24th of September.
What was that one for?
testing positive for alcohol.
Oh,
and
this is
marijuana.
good. Okay, good. So he's working towards it. Okay, good.
Sure, ma'am.
All right, I see it. Okay, you've already done those 2 days?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, and I'm reading in the sentencing, but you can provide the proof to Mr. Keys that you've already done that, okay? And you'll
Yes,
get
ma'am.
credit for it. Additional 2 days of community service order on 9/24 at bond modification hearing. Abstain from the use or possession of alcohol or controlled substances unless prescribed by a physician. Documentation will be required. And that's for the term of probation with random drug and alcohol testing as deemed necessary at your expense. You'll complete outpatient substance abuse treatment as directed by probation and follow therapeutic recommendations and provide proof. You'll complete anger management as directed by probation, follow all recommendations and provide proof. Mr. Keys, what's the longest class they have?
I believe, look to see if it's 26 or 52 weeks.
I'm writing longest class. You'll complete parenting classes as directed by probation and provide proof. You'll obtain employment and provide proof. You'll comply with the CPS order. You'll have no contact with, so the prosecutor has no objection to him seeing his wife, right? Alicia Halfman?
No, I have no objection to speaking or contacting Alicia Halfman, yeah.
All right, I'm striking Alicia Halfman from the no contact order. You can have no contact with Cooper Halfman, Maddie Halfman, or McKeo Halfman. No weapons or ammunition, clear outstanding bench warrants, no driving without a valid license, and order for fingerprints if applicable. I'll see you soon, Mr. Halfman, and when I do, come prepared.
All right.
Anything else?
Nothing for the people, Judge.
Not from the fence.
You're done. I'll see you next time.